If you have lost your AirPods right now, there's no need to worry. If it's not in school and if you just lost it in your home and you want to know where is it, you can just easily swipe down from your home and then type find mine. Then just tap this. Right now, the AirPods is it is outside of the case, but to find the case, you can just tap on your case and right button, and there are gonna be two options right here: play sound, just the phone trying to connect to the case and to make sound. But if you don't want that and you want it separate way on how to find it, it's only available on Airpods Pro 2. You can just find it nearby. So what it's gonna do is just if I move a little bit right to here, it's gonna says that it's near the AirPods, but I just have to get closer to it, and there you go. You can also click this, maybe in this play sound, and there you go. You can hear the sound of the AirPods case. And if you have lost your AirPods somewhere outside of your house, you can just see this to know that where was the lost location of your AirPods. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.